What if I told you that one of my friends made $438 in just 30 days, simply by uploading videos to Telegram? Sounds crazy, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact system he used step by step. And by the end, you'll know how you can do the same thing. And here's the best part. It doesn't have to be movies. You can upload literally any kind of videos and still make money. Now let's get real for a second. If you think Telegram by itself will make you rich, that's not true. Telegram monetization alone might make you a few bucks, maybe $50 to $100 a month. That's pocket change. But if you want to actually earn in dollars, not cents, and scale to thousands per month, you need to use a smarter method. And that's exactly what I'm about to show you. The trick is simple. Don't upload videos directly to Telegram. Instead, upload them to a platform called NeoBox. It's basically like TeraBox, a cloud storage app where people can stream your videos. But here's the kicker. TeraBox pays about 90 cents per 1,000 views. NeoBox pays $2 for 1,000 views. That's literally 2x the money for the same traffic. Right now, NeoBox pays some of the highest rates in the market. Here's exactly how to set this up. 1. Download NeoBox from the App Store or Play Store. 2. Create and verify your account. 3. Use the official NeoBox Telegram bots to upload your videos and generate shareable links. And here's the best part. You don't even need to upload giant files yourself. With the link converter bots, you can take an existing NeoBox or TeraBox link, paste it, and instantly get your own earning link. So you can literally skip the heavy lifting and start earning right away. Okay, so uploading is easy, but here's the million-dollar question. How do you actually get views? Because without traffic, there's no money. Here's the exact strategy that's working right now. Step 1. Instagram Reels. Post short trending clips, music edits, or viral-style content. In your bio, add your Telegram channel link. Step 2. Automation hack. Ever seen those creators who say, "Comment this word and I'll DM you the link"? That's not magic. It's automation. Tools like Super Profile let you set this up for free. So when someone comments on your reel, they instantly get a DM with your Telegram link. From there, they click into your channel and then to your NeoBox links. Boom! That's how you funnel views into dollars. Now here's how you can take it to the next level. Imagine your Telegram channel running on autopilot, posting new videos and links for you while you sleep. That's exactly what the NeoBox Masterbot does. You can set custom messages, decide how many posts per day, up to 30, choose categories, even set post timing. It basically turns your channel into a 24/7 passive income machine. Now let's talk results. On my own dashboard, I've hit over 250,000 views and earned more than $420 already. Withdrawals are super simple. Just hit withdraw, enter your bank or PayPal, and within 24 hours the money lands in your account. Minimum payout is just $10. So yes, this works and it pays fast. Let's wrap this up. Upload videos to NeoBox, not Telegram directly. Share those links inside a private Telegram channel. Drive traffic using Instagram Reels plus automation. Let bots handle the posting so you don't have to do this consistently, and you can easily make $300, $500 per month. Scale it up, and you can take it to $1,000 plus per month. So if you're serious about building this side hustle, watch this video all the way through. I'll drop all the tools, bots, and resources you need in the description below. And hey, if you've got any questions, drop a comment. I reply to everyone. This is your shot to turn Telegram plus NeoBox into a real online income stream. Let's make it happen. Subscribe and watch the next video.